What do you think? Which industry is actually mostly, the serious target of the attackers? Any suggestions? Finance, e-commerce, or some other industries? What do you think? Which one is the most targeted one? Medical? Okay. Manufacturing. Okay. Manufacturing is something which is getting almost 26% of the total number of attacks over there. Manufacturing as in power plant, steel plant, okay, um, refineries, okay, mining fields. They are getting 26% of the attacks of the total volume. Okay, so they are the mostly targeted ones. Why? Because the war is between the countries, different countries. They want to impact the infrastructure. If one power plant is shut down, correct? So there could be the huge advantage to the other country. Okay, because multiple people are impacted. Remember the recent war scenarios between US, Israel, and Iran over there. Do you think it just started? No, it's been there since ages. Okay, because the nuclear things that comes under the manufacturing. Okay, and not now. If you have heard about Stuxnet, okay, I'll just show it to you on a Wikipedia page. Stuxnet. It was a virus. Okay, in 2010, again, Iran was planning to become a nuclear country to do a nuclear test. And that time also, see, it's written there, okay, believed to be responsible for causing substantial damage for Iran nuclear program. Okay, who have done it? Again, United States and Israel. 15 years back, the same thing happened, which just happened a couple of the days back. Correct. So this was again a cyber weapon. So from this particular attack, the manufacturing utilities start getting the attack. So no planes required, no war required, even no confirmed news that they were behind the attack. Correct. But see, how does the companies are attacking on each other over there? Okay. If you see when this Ukraine and Russian war happens, they hacked each other's steel plant, power plant, and they try to impact it as well too. Okay, then you have finance, information, health. Health is again one of it, which is gonna be very, very critical ones. Okay. So malicious code and sustained scans are the most common cyber attacks. What are the most common attack over there? Correct. So malware, virus, everywhere. Virus is one of the attack which happens, in very, very large event over there. Second, scanning. People have vulnerability scanning tools and they scan your infrastructure from outside. They try to find out what ports, what protocols, what services we might be having over there. And then the smaller ones, unauthorized access, suspicious activity, a denial of service. Okay, your credentials got abused. Abuse means got breached over there. Okay, so these are different things you will find out as a different one, but mostly even the government infrastructure or the private companies, they generally get attacked with the malware related things there. Okay.